Hey Scrappy people, Traci Reed here today, coming at you with an unboxing of my brand new Goldenrod collection. I'm so excited about this collection. First of all, the colors are just amazing. But second of all, for a long time, I have been wanting to create a fall Halloween October daily collection that really can mix and match and fit in with any of your other supplies. You can pull from it again and again, year after year. It's always going to slide seamlessly in with fall and Halloween and really just work with anything. And there's a couple ways that I approached that as I made this collection that we will talk about. But first, let's talk about what's in it. As always, there are 20 patterned patterns all together. There are 10 or 11 solid papers, we'll find out. There is a set of Traveler's Notebook signatures, 3 sets this time of journaling cards, because I wanted to include one that was specifically Halloween mostly, but I didn't want to incorporate Halloween into the regular journal cards because, again, we have that whole mix and matching thing that I really wanted to make sure that we had going on. So I just created an entire set just of Halloween-ish cards. And then we have 3 sheets of stickers. Those are the printables for this collection. So let's dive in. I'm going to stack these up so that we can start with the patterns. So what I have right here is actually the Traveler's Notebook size and the patterned card size papers or patterns. They come also in 12 by 12, obviously, and 6 by 8. The patterned cards come in 4 by 6, 3 by 4, 4 by 3, and 6 by 4 on printable sheets. Anything that comes in a specific orientation on the printable sheet has both orientations included. That way you can have both, or you can print individually. They also come on individual JPEG files. The Traveler's Notebook size papers also come on printable sheets. These 6 by 8s do not, because you can't fit more than one on an 8.5 by 11 sheet. So you have to print them all individually anyways. So those do not come on printable sheets, just individual files. But here is the color palette, for this gorgeous collection. And you can see, it's soft, but not like pastel. It is so calming, and it's just, look, you can take the orange and the black and the gray and go Halloween. You can take the black and the gray out and go just straight fall. It is so versatile, and it makes me so happy. So let's look at the patterns. Surprisingly, there are not too many florals in this collection. There are florals, of course, because I cannot have no florals, but this one includes little falling leaves. We have an orange and white stripe. I love this one with the tickets, all different words, and we also have icon pumpkins too. So we got happy hearts, crisp leaves, I want candy, golden days, autumn vibes, hey pumpkin, then a big 10. And I chose 10 rather than 31 in case you do not celebrate Halloween. It's just October instead. Candy corn, I couldn't resist a little candy corn pattern. I love this sort of retro dot with the stars. We also have a beautiful black and white plaid. Okay, my favorite paper in the whole collection, probably actually, I can't decide between this one and the multicolor plaid. I'll let you decide which one's your favorite, but look at this beautiful wood grain stripe. Sort of fun and funky yellow floral. And then a little, minimalistic daisy style one. We've got leaves and flowers again. I love this yellow plaid. Pumpkins. Can't just have orange pumpkins. We're gonna have pumpkins in all of the colors. Black and white star, again, for that transition into Halloween if you want. And then, look at this beautiful plaid. Man, every time I see it, it just makes me so happy. It's just so fun and different than the norm. Multi-dot. A blue grid. I love this blue gray color. We also could not resist the buffalo plaid for fall. I just couldn't. I couldn't resist it. Teeny tiny simple pumpkin. Gorgeous leaf pattern. I love this. This is the first paper I designed. This is the paper that started the whole collection. And then we've got some funky X's. So that's all 20 patterns in the collection. Next we have 3 sets of journal cards. 2 are more, Two are more fallish, everyday October themed, and 1 is Halloween themed-ish. It's not super Halloween, but it is. So we've got 8 3x4s and 2 4x6s per pack. So this one says Season of Memories, and I just adore the way that those colors look on that black. Ugh. And because it's on black, that will make it so that this collection can transition really easily throughout your album into Halloween if you celebrate at the end of the month. Love this. Autumn days are here at last. Beautiful stripe journal card. I love me a good stripe. We've got that floral, this time on gray. Oh, hey, Autumn. Nice of you to finally show up. Man, I'm telling you, as soon as it turned fall here, it turned fall, which is abnormal anymore. It was downright chilly this morning. Show me where they're spicing the pumpkins, please. Gotta have my signature snark tag journaling card. There go the trees showing off again. Can't wait till our trees change and I can use that card. And then this is a really fun journal card that you can do. You can either cut those out or you can do 3 separate stories on 1 card. Depending on how you do your October daily, that could be really helpful to be able to include 3 different stories on 1 card. Second set, we've got Fall is in the Air, Crisp Leaves, and Autumn Breeze. Noted. I love this leaf-shaped journal spot. Journal labels. Still waiting for summer to collapse into fall. And fall is my season. Why do I feel like I moved to? Fall is my season. I feel like, where to go? I'm definitely missing a card here. That's what I was looking at. I don't know which one is, did I have an extra one in here? I don't know. On the previews for the collections, it shows you which cards are in which. Nope, there's only 8 there. We'll find it. It shows you which cards are in which, so you can always make sure that you are picking up the right pack. These memories are golden. And then that gorgeous floral on black again. Oh, so pretty. It's gonna be in here, I think. We'll have to figure out one of these things is not like the other, which it might be that one. Precious Moments. Which Way to the Candy. You'll see that throughout this collection, I actually kept the illustration really to a minimal, and that was so that it would easily mix in with your other products. All Treats, No Tricks. Boo Eek, Season of Thrills and Chills. Be Very Afraid. This is Halloween. Okay, I really apologize for my singing voice now, but the way that I designed this card was with a Christmas Carol in mind. So it says, pick a pretty pumpkin from the farthest field. I always like to use Christmas carols for non-Christmas Carol lyrics. And then let's get spooky. I'm thinking that this one is the one that goes with this pack over here. The rest of them seemed pretty Halloween-y. Hey Pumpkin. And the season of Hocus Pocus is upon us. Now, for me, that means the movie, which if you are watching this right now, it is currently the new movie. The new Hocus Pocus is currently on Disney Plus. It came out today, and hopefully I am sitting down watching it right now and not being massively disappointed because Hocus Pocus, which I know is not a great movie, but it is a movie from my childhood. Hocus Pocus is one of my favorite movies of all time. In fact, my sister, mom, and I all have a muck, tattooed on our wrist because we all love it so much. So let's hope, fingers crossed, that I am currently loving the new one. So these are the Traveler's Notebook signatures. They are Traveler's Notebook size, 8.25 by 4.25. This one says pumpkin spice and everything nice. That's what fall days are made of. I couldn't resist a pumpkin spice reference. Okay, there's that gorgeous black floral. Love these cozy autumn days. This was a really fun paper to design. You can cut out these tags if you want. I think it would be really fun to include some of like the stickers on these tags and just make a collage sort of page. Had to do a black and orange stripe, and you can see, if you can see, there's wood grain in the background. Another journal card. This one would be really fun to decorate, again, with stickers. You can add your own floral clusters or anything to them. I made a heart wreath because I couldn't resist the heart wreaths. Season of change. Fall always shows us how beautiful it is to let things go. Another journal card. I love this pale pink. I have a little scalloped border on the bottom there. It's the most magical time of the year. And then that star again, but this time a little bit smaller, and the reverse. Okay, so that is, or those are the printables for the collection. Let's move over to, oh, nope, we're not there yet. Okay, let's look at the stickers, and then we will hop over to the computer and look at the digital product for the collection. So there are 3 sheets of stickers, and of course an entire sheet, because we are talking about October Daily, an entire sheet is numbers. They are all different. So we've got 1, 2, all the way through 31. They are all different. They have different patterns, different color schemes, so they won't be repetitive in your album. Super cute. Again, I did not do a lot of icons, so we have a lot more journaling spots and word bits in this collection, tags, things like that, that are going to be super useful in your documentation. We've got a couple of candy corn, of course. Couldn't resist the candy corn. Everybody has such a strong opinion on candy corn. I personally like candy corn. I don't love it, but I like candy corn, and I think it gets a bad rap. We have, what about you? Do you like candy corn? Let me know. Let me know in the comments, or is it just a good decorative icon for you more than you want to eat it? So we've got 4 floral clusters, and then pumpkins in every color. Come back. We got yellow, gray, orange, blue, and pink pumpkins. And then, where'd they go? We got leaves in every color too. So good for scattering, good for accenting things. But illustration this time around is not the focus of the kit. Though, man, these colors, so pretty. So let's talk about some of the words. We've got 4 tabs. All right, so here is the digital kit for the collection. We have obviously all of the 12 by 12 papers. There are 6 different alphabets, very simple alphabets for this collection. I wanted to go with that sort of soft, puffy sticker vibe for them. Then we have all of your usual suspects for a digital collection. There are realistic flowers, there's wood veneer, there's glittery titles, there's lots of fun paint and stamping as well. I really love the, if you look at the top and the back, there is a black doily that has newsprint over the top of it. There are some soft epoxy word bits and realistic autumn leaves. There's a lot of really fun stuff in this kit to play with. So that is it for the Goldenrod collection. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I'd love it if you give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. I would love to have you. If you don't already, you can follow me over on Instagram. I'm at Traci M. Reed. I'd love to see you over there as well. The Goldenrod collection is on sale if you're watching this as it releases. 40% off all weekend for the digital scrapbook day festivities. So now is the perfect time to pick it up and add it to your October daily goodies. So there is a link in the description box below to the entire collection, and I will see you next time. Thank you.